Ayan mga kapotpot, ako na naman, nandun dito, si Kuya Den. Ayan, welcome sa Kuya Den Pot. Ayan mga kapotpot, so lulutuin natin ngayon ay ating, dahil bawal ang karne, lulutuin natin ngayon ay tilapia, sarsyadong tilapia. Okay, ito ang ating mga ingredients. Ayan ang ating mga kailangan, syempre, ang ating tilapia, kamatis, bawang, itlog, at syempre ang ating pang-garnish. Ayan. Ang ating gagawin ay sarsyadong tilapia. Kakapatpat ang ating gagawin. Ito ang ating tilapia. So lalagyan lang natin sila ng ating asin. Okay. Ayan. Tapos syempre painit na tayo ng mantika at prito na natin ito. Ayan, gusto na ang ating tilapia. Ayan.
I'm just here to have the time of my life, the time of my life, and make it last. I'm just here to laugh, leave the sadness behind, joy on my mind all the time. No, I won't waste a second, I won't waste a single minute. I'm just here to make the most of life, with happiness in me. So tell all the rain clouds to move along, the storms of this life can't take my happy song. The hurricanes will tread on a different place, this joy in my heart no one can take away. So tell all the rain clouds to move along, the storms of this life can't take my happy song. The hurricanes will tread on a different place, this joy in my heart no one can take away. just here to laugh, leave the sadness behind. Joy on my mind all the time. No, I won't waste a second. I won't waste a single minute. I'm just here to make the most of life with happiness in me. So tell all the rain clouds to move along. The storms of this life can't take my happy song. The hurricanes will tread on a different place. This joy in my heart no one can take away. So tell all the rain clouds to move along. The storms of this life can't take my happy song.